rock on the beat. Oh, call me Ghana boy. Me, I was born to be a winner. Many try to put me down. Me, I am destined to grow faster. My enemies don't need to see my crown. Can you ever walk me down? Kunko wani meme baba onye. Thank pamo bamu onye. But very hard to win your bet. I don't try to go me down. Me I the go higher. I don't try to go me down. My redeemer is Jaja. I don't try to go me down. Me I the go higher. I don't try to go me down. My redeemer is Jaja. Money brio, Siabutro. Go for a note and back, my brother. Go for a note and back, my sister. I will be strong like fire. She said me I'm really over. Me I do and go tired. I go prove that I'm tiger. Nipa no kika semo itishe. Unya bibia wonfiwo itishe. Just do what you can do to make it up. Just do what you can do to make it up. I don't try to go me down. Me I the go higher. I don't try to go me down. My redeemer is Jaja. I don't try to go me down. Me I the go higher. I don't try to go me down. My redeemer is Jaja. I don't try to go me down. Me I the go higher. I don't try to go me down. My redeemer is Jaja. Coco City, young to the beat.
Yo, this is your guy, Dallas GH. The name still remains. Abushafo, mon share program where namo from me as usual. Mon share very quick one. Ya check 20 minutes. Enyade ya beche P on this program. Ya check any 20 minutes. Haj Bibi, big ups to you. Haj Bibi, that is my blood brother. You pay for more kingdom hano. Musa Mohammed Musa computer. Haj Bibi in pay for or mutu or monaya. Na yesu ye ne yesu. When you meet na my social media, so na say ye can some no cry. Yan ka ento sabi. Ye can. Monhwe menim. Mo nse musuro bibi. Nsuo nko a na ehye menim. Me nsuro hwe. I'm telling you, Abushafo blame me bebre. Say yes series of videos are omuhu actions. Enye eno na me ba baka ho asem. What say silence is golden. Mama yenya abotre na yem fampa bo enfanta bibiachi na bibia ebekoso ye kama. Mon share program we mame is because of one or two issues bia me pese me no more discuss. Very quick announcement to say send na ye ne da no. Nyankopon we hyramo na wombo obi bia ho ban, especially ye wo Arab Gulf. Ye wo your friend then Arab golfer ye dwuma the Gulf states, especially nyankopon won hire obi bia na won bo obi bia ho ba ma hu mi Sheikh Penny on so wadwan mi Sheikh Albani nyankopon won hire eni wabusuafo nyina nyame won bo ho ban Sheikh nyankopon won hire pa eni edwuma pa mo ye de bia education mo maye mo twi adwen eba kremosumu mo twi adwen eba in the right path nyankopon won hire mo na won ma mo kwantenten. Abushafo, the person make it all concerns Saudi Arabia. Me ba hanom enumre to say the way I'm in previous video me ba ye. I'm not here to cause fear and panic. That is not my intention. Nobody should get me right. nobody should get me wrong. Excuse me. I'm not here to cause fear and panic. Dabi. Me wo hanoma me ne me sisters ha omo kingdom ha enemy brothers ebinom nso a omo kratasem enye papa even se wo kratasem kwampo eye papa bie wasoa netie piece of a message we are me de ebremo abusiafo ye be a video about say Saudi Arabia operations are omoye Saudi Arabia. This is not the first time omoye operations. Yanya operations are very critical, are very strong. Not like the who says here no. But trust me person make bibi kakra echremo. It is real. It is going on. We are oba na utie mi se wo contract house a memma fufuo na oba bedu efie no ebe deceive mama enkran doko na okwa akoto no ma mi le ho mama ni deceive ka edwuma mo ho wate ka edwuma mo ho ka edwuma mo ho na ye wudwuma edwuma no ene edu efri Ghana edu baha nkran doko okofie a bebre na wo ho ahina obetimi adi edwuma mo na wo ne ka ho wo befie ne de ebaba to no wa wo gigirigi menemo kasei endra enyimre and then you have a text message omo eba peke amount for 17 Ghana for. So it shows clearly that it is real. No fibilibi, no labalaba. It is real. Say kwaso wo bana oboto trap ma na yesasawa ye do ko Ghana wa bobo hu wo bobo hu wo ko Ghana manye wa adwen se eyeriado nko a wo gide atiemiye wo taifa ni nyina na eye Saudi Arabia na yewo se wo damam ni nyina eye Saudi Arabia na yewo operation no enye Riyadh nko a. Nobody should get it twisted. Abusiafo mo share sa program we me menche 20 minutes per na ya body 2 na ya sorry every ho say me no mo ka say manya 7 minutes 20 minutes per na me si form mo hwe ye na mama wo yonko bi ndcv and then amount for 4 o ma tue sika no mu edu 4,000 obi tue 5,000 yakoyi ni every contract house de wo ma osa apo wo yi say wo ba ba you no wa den na wan bisa ne say na abonten te sen ene wo tue sika no mu edu watimi afa location akwakọ you every respective contract house where you abefie fie nu na ye chi amount for no 17 people were picked up and dragged. 17 1 2 3 4 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 utiemi atiemiye abushafo yemba boko so fear and panic ya brothers are more underground omuka asama real omu yibin free omu fa bin ka ho Mohammed Musa computer Haj Bibi eni mpanyifo na omu aka no omu ka asama real yemfa bin shem yen yibin free ye de omu de tie nima na ya baba ka kire mo na ya ba na ya bobok ya baba ka ne pepepe ye yibin free yemfa bin ka ho monye very careful ye nyina obinim wo hanom omu na omu hwe omomborwa ebinim awo be tu nkola no ko school ahanom na opeska wo de ma akola no ofie ena abro no wo di tua akola no school fees enti se ye tumfu na se wantia a mo akofa yonko bone na wo dadao na wo du pie na ye kraw na ye du ko fie a wo batu piga oho no bo say yes ye to do ko a ye jimoko ye to do ko a ye jimoko enti mo share program we mean 20 minutes mo share na enko ka obibia wo kingdom ha mamo ye madwen say eye Saudi eye Riyadh nkoten Riyadh nko na eye Saudi Arabia dabi yeah hello yeah good evening yeah me your live program me your live program ana obakasa ho me wie na yen kasa why abusiafo muntie niye the fireman Alhaji Muntala Mola ogina so I hope say obeyesa program we e wo jida e wo ni page so na omo jida no omo ebose a omo esre esa no wo se Riyadh no enye Riyadh nko na ye Saudi Arabia enti no munye very careful na mu hia mabusuafo ewo Ghana wo na wo hwe wo mami single parent wo mami wo papa ewu waja wo mami nkoa nkola 4 wo na wo hwe wo Saudi Arabia enyenyenye kura no wo na wo mani wo musika in a month 5 million 8 million en omude to aduane wo hwie edema nkola no a wo ja wo omude eco school no wo en we the breadwinner of the family waba fa yonko wo contract house wa man wa dadao wo pie abontia wo adwuma wo gi sika 30 million 25 million eya ampa obaje na obanya wasumdie ana ma wo pipe enya den wotimi pia na obanso na se wo nkodwuma wo tete ho wo se wo de wo ye massage adwuma wo ye no wo se wo de wo ye se wo mpadwuma ko wo se wo de wo bo dreadlock ena wo de ma memma ena memma ebe fie ho epie omukwa abena kwa kojokwa na wepie akosiko na wepie Ivansko na wepie Jakumko na wepie na wo fi se adwuma na wo ye no ewo kurom ha wan ka jo se adwuma kurom ha no adwuma no yetimi fa obi free Ghana se omba ye sa adwuma no ana wo na wo kreti adwuma no ema wo ho ye wo series of videos wo ho no ye de be pie mo so mo share program we say aka me guess 9 minutes na ye di dwuma de no e di aba wie ye nti abusuafo mo a wo mo yi mo free contract house endra nipa 4 no bommadin na mami na wo hostu mo no won pe dwuma na won fama mo okọ aka ho mwati mu pie se mu ba ba dwuma den na mu ntimi nhwe mawofo ewefie wapie fine wapie wan yo bia advice so wapie fine kodwuma o maintenance endi nkradokon wosi wudi bia chenti no yeton bi wo manfo anti no obaka ho ne wedi dakon woto na wudi na wababa salamu alaikum na woto ho no bo wura police for them be kwampo mo bo salam aleikum o bo wura gbra wona woto ho no ye pejawa Kotoka International Airport wona wo hye ho no enti abusuafo message ame wo mpese me de mamono no endra omo apeke 17 good Ghanaians omo do omo ekofie 17 enti no echiche no eye real monye very careful wo contract house nka wo ye ready say wo send location na odi ama obi na wakwakwa yi odi aka ho Dallas tumfo ka honom wo se wanya di location ama ne dada ka che se wunya mpie biom be se wunya pie so a ka che ne se wonda ho ma de anche wonfa wonkodwuma wokɔhye dwuma ma ka ho edi amewa me pese me de ba mo no nyakopon wo hira mo na wonbo obi bia ho man bibie ekoso efa videos ayeye ya hu se amofo eye videos bibiri eboyechi mene Alhaji Muntala Mola the fireman say ya ye videos efa abamu obi a woye rough e wokroma ye friend Felix say ye nya bibi emfa ho nya bibia na ye wadweno nya bibia na ye de ba social media so ye wode ye de ba social media so ebetimi edi the wake up call na edi ama omo nya follow into victim no ena ye wo baby anso asemra ena emra na say it taking you cost so ene no you don't have to come out publicly ete monjano problem bia ni ho ya majamu esi ha sei nyankopon won hira mo na wonbo obi bia ho ban mon share program we enko ka obi a waye ready a wo pese wo free no contract house o chena no wo di card location ama driver ni no mon ka tren say Dallas say won ka ho na se we pia ya be cheno na ye de na ko Ghana e bia na wonbo ahombo no so ensonye intini de mo a me pese me de mamo no yakopon won hira mo na wonbo obi bia ho ban auzu billahi samiul alim minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim alhamdulillahi allazi halaka fasawa wa qadara fahada fajahalahu husanan khawa summa salatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man ihtada bihadi wa sanna bi sunnatihi ila yawmiddin amma ba'd assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The number to call me is 059-284-5903. Say bibi etwa adwen a frame on this line 059-284-5903. Makramo nyankopon wonkamo ho hazawo billahi tawfik. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dallas GH, the name still remains.